CEDAR invited student artists to dream up a mascot for an interactive healthcare careers kiosk at the Mountain Arts Centre. The challenge? Create a character, human or not, that brings together body systems and local healthcare jobs, celebrates our mountain heritage, and captures the centre's spirit of creative learning. Students could use any medium, drawing, sculpture, digital art, and were asked to weave in mountain culture symbols, make exploring healthcare fun, and design something truly unforgettable. Here are the characters they created. Next, CEDAR's technology partner BitSource took the students' drawings and transformed them into vibrant 3D renderings and animations to bring their ideas to life. Meet Epi, the cheerful epithelial lung cell extraordinaire, and her loyal, if a bit grumpy, sidekick Basil, the progenitor kitty. Epi sports a sky blue apron stitched with sprout motifs and cilia-inspired hair rollers that gently fan fresh air through the alveoli. With her soft mitts, she sews golden oxygen blankets stamped O2, draping them across delicate airways to cushion every breath. Ever watchful at her feet, Basil pounces in to renew worn tissue and keep their little lung workshop humming. Together they stitch vitality 102 square at a time. Meet Cardi, the warm-hearted cardiomyocyte at the centre of every cellular shindig. Decked out in denim overalls and sturdy boots, Cardi plucks a wooden banjo to keep the rhythm of your heartbeat and your toes tapping. With a friendly wink, they weave tales that turn blood vessels into trusty highways. Think US 23 Country Music Road, where every capillary is a back road waiting to be explored. Always ready with a song, a story, or a helpful analogy, Cardi makes sure your heart feels right at home, one cheerful banjo chord at a time. Meet Goebel, the ever-diligent goblet cell turned digestive city sanitation supervisor, clad in a forest green jacket and armed with a trusty recycle sign and garbage bag. Goebel patrols the twisting villi avenues of your small intestine. With a well-timed squirt of sticky mucus, they trap stray food bits, bacteria, and other unwelcome guests, then scoop them into their bag for safe removal. Ever courteous and impeccably neat, Goebel keeps your internal surfaces sparkling clean, ensuring every nutrient highway runs smoothly and debris never overflows the bins. Meet Mac, the no-nonsense macrophage cop keeping your lymphatic precinct safe. Clad in a sharp navy blue uniform and dark shades, Mac patrols the interstitial alleys and lymph channels, ever on the lookout for shady invaders. When a troublemaker like the COVID virus shows up, Mac springs into action, handcuffing pathogens with a hail of receptor-mediated engulfment and hauling them back to the station for processing. With his keen sniff, chemotactic sensors for distress signals, and unbreakable resolve, Officer Mac ensures unwanted criminals don't stick around to cause trouble. Meet Milo, the powerhouse smooth myocyte turned personal trainer for your body's inner gym. Sporting a bright headband and trusty whistle, Milo commands muscle fibers to contract in perfect rhythm, whether it's guiding your gut through peristaltic laps or tightening vessel walls like a seasoned cardio coach. With every sharp blow of that whistle, Milo cues smooth muscle teams to flex and release, keeping blood flow steady and digestion on track. Ever enthusiastic, this cell coach inspires peak performance, one contraction at a time. Meet Osti, the ever-cheerful construction supervisor of your skeletal system. Rocking a bright hard hat and high-vis vest, Osti wields a trusty hammer as he and his crew layer down the collagen mortar and mineral bricks that become strong, living bone. With meticulous precision, he calls the shots, aligning organic scaffolds, recruiting calcium and phosphate blocks, and smoothing every joint surface to perfection. Thanks to Osti's expert oversight, your bones rise up sturdy and true, ready to support every move you make. Meet Podro, the vigilant podocyte border patrol of your kidneys. Anchored around each glomerular capillary by 5 graceful foot processes, Podro brandishes a bright red stop sign to block rogue proteins and cells from slipping into the filtrate. With every selective slit they guard, Podro ensures that only water, ions and waste molecules pass through, keeping your blood clean and urine just right. Meet Ron, the sharp-dressed neuron working the capital of your brain, and Cardi's brainy cousin, with a polished quill in one hand, dendrite, and a stack of scrolls in the other, axon terminals. Ron drafts and dispatches electrical bills, action potentials, down the long highway of his axon. His branching dendritic committee collects incoming signals like lobbyist memos. Then he fires off neurotransmitter legislation across the synaptic gap to neighbouring cells. Ever attentive in the cerebral chambers, Ron keeps communication crisp, ensuring every thought, reflex and memory passes Congress on time. Meet Dr. Benji, the seasoned lead of the cellular clinic and guiding light for every tissue team. Clad in his crisp white coat and ever-present stethoscope, this wise black bear blends warmth and expertise. With a calm growl and reassuring paw on your shoulder, he translates complex cellologies into plain talk, whether diagnosing a sneaky infection or mapping out the next round of cellular reinforcements. As the head doctor of the body's hospital, Benji calls the rounds, mentors every cell specialist, and makes sure each system, immune, circulatory, digestive and beyond, works in harmonious concert.